Hare Krishna. Welcoming you all to 18 days Bhagavad Gita course. Now this is the level 1 course. Like, as usual, every day I say, you all can go to, now you'll all be eligible to go to level 2. After this 18 days course, once you finish off your quiz also, you'll get a certificate. Then you're all eligible. All means whoever is new in our class. Mostly Asharam Prabhuji, I think Janardhan Shastri also, they're not old students, I think so. But Asharam Prabhuji I've seen. So those who are joined for the first time 18 days course, after completing this course, then you can go to level 2, level 3, level 4. It keeps going that way. And then it's only 2 days a week. Level 2 is just 2 days a week. After that, it's only once a week class. So you can comfortably take. Or if you feel, no, I need to take level 1 again. So right now, immediately you can take admission for the month of October. That gate is open. You can, to fix your whichever time you want, you can choose and you can start, you can register. So, this we are learning from ISKCON Mangalore. So we have come to ISKCON Mangalore's temple, Sri Radha Govinda. Let us pay our obeisance and let us, ask only for good knowledge, good, that interest and the devotion. That is all we want. He has to bestow that on us. If he, we have interest, to do all this service, but he has to give us buddhi also to do this devotion. So we can only ask for that, and the rest of the thing he will take care, what to give us, what not to give us. So let us pray him and say Hare Krishna Mahamantra 3 times. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Yeah, who's checking Pranati? Anybody wants to take?
Can I take it up, Mathaji?
You're free? Yeah. Okay.
If anybody else wants to, they can.
Nobody is raising hand or nobody's telling.
Okay.
I've actually logged everybody, so you can raise your hand, or even on video. Suppose if you are unable to put that, that raise and take digital raising, and you can put on your video and show your hand, then you can put it off. So I will know somebody is interested. Otherwise, yeah, we'll just keep going. Kirti Mataji, if you're free, you can do that.
Yes, Mataji, thank you. Hare Krishna. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjaya Shalakaya Chekshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Shri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Stapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamahyam Dadati Swapadantikam Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Utapadakamalam Shri Gurun Vaishnavamscha Shri Rupam Sagrajatam Sahagana Raghunathanvitam Tam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Shri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagana Lalita Shri Vishakhanvitamscha He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dina Bandhu Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namostute Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhanu Sute Devi Pranamami Hari Priye Vancha Kalpatarubhyascha Kripa Sindhubhya Evacha Patitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha Namo Brahmanya Devaya Go Brahmana Hitaya Cha Jagadditaya Krishnaya Govindaya Namo Namaha Namo Mahavadanyaya Krishna Prema Padayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namne Gauratvishe Namaha Guruve Gaurachandraya Radhikaya Itadalaye Krishnaya Krishna Bhaktaya Tadbhaktaya Namo Namaha Nama Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Pristhaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swaminiti Namine Namaste Saraswate Devi Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschyata Deshatarine Panchatattvatmakam Krishnam Bhaktarupa Swarupakam Bhaktavataram Bhaktakyam Namami Bhakta Shaktikam Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadara Shri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Mataji. Thank you.
Yeah, so we have come to this course which is called Understand Bhagavad Gita in 18 days. And today's chapter is 11th chapter. Dekhte, we have come to the 11th day. Yeah, what is this? Today is very, very important. Like yesterday, he had said orally, where he is pervaded. And now he is going to show us live. He will show. Because Arjuna wants it. Whatever the devotee is asking for, he will definitely, he's just waiting to give us. He's just waiting to best. Only that, say, at least, prarthana karo, you just, do devotion, do puja part, all this, whatever is prescribed. I mean, do, I'm there to serve you. Instead of me serving him, he's ready to serve us. Like return gift. He's waiting with the return gifts. So what is expected is Arjuna is asking for the universal form. But he really wants to know more about the Lord. So he said, kindly show me. Now you have told me everything orally. Even Asito, Devalo, Vyasa, all these sages also said. Now you are also saying. But now you would like to see also where you are pervaded. So he's going to show his universal form. Yes. So based on the teachings of his divine grace, Abhay Charan Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, founder Acharya of International Society for Krishna Consciousness. Yeah, so yesterday we saw knowing that Krishna is unknowable and the source of all. We saw, and then Chatushloki, the important 4 shlokas of entire Bhagavad Gita in yesterday's class we saw. Then Arjuna accepts Krishna as the supreme. He has already accepted him right from the beginning, but still after knowing all his opulence, he is still surrendered and he accepts him as the supreme Lord. Then Lord Krishna describes his vibhuti. I'm just giving you just a sample of it. Just a limited things I'm telling you, because my vibhuti, if I have to say, it will take long. It is so much that it is unlimited. I cannot end it. So I'll just give you some. So yesterday we all participated, and we all participated, and we came to know he is present in where? He is only Skanda, he is only Shiva, he is only Brahma, he is only everything. Varuna, Indra, Deva, all everything. Even this Narad, everything he says, I am only that person. The kings and the mountain, Himalaya mountain, everything is. So today is going to show that. So today what is going to show in actual Rupam, the Vishwarupa is going to show. Why does Arjuna want to see Vishwarupa? Arjuna, so he's asking why Arjuna was. So is he doubting Krishna? Are itna sa bolte to jara dikhao to. Let me see. Bada bada baat karte. Not like that. Yeah, or he himself feeling great. I am great, just show me what is your opulence. No, he doesn't ask for all that. So we will see in those slides. Arjuna's experience, after seeing all this, he's experiencing so much overwhelmed. So, he gets goosebumps and all that. And description of Vishwarupa, he's explaining also. So many bellies, so many hands, so many eyes, so many this, keeps on describing. And then Arjuna's praise. Then afterwards, he just feels bad. He feels guilty. And he's saying, I'm very sorry that I treated you as my own, companion. And he's asking for pardon. Then pure bhakti, the prerequisite to see any form of Krishna. The bhakti is the most important thing. We need to have love and devotion towards the Lord to understand Krishna and to finally to go to his abode. Om Shri Krishnaya Paramatmane Namaha Vishwarupa Darshana Yogaha Atha Ekadasho Dhyaya. There are more than 60 slides, okay? I don't want to cut any. Actually, short maybe here, and then I thought of unskip. Then I said, no, not fair, So if time permits, we will read all. If I feel in between, like the time is becoming short, then we will just skip, okay? Arjuna Vacha Mat Anugrahaya Paramam Guhyam Adhyatma Sanjitam Yatvayoktam Vachastena Moho Ayam Vigato Mama. Arjuna said, by my hearing the instruction you have kindly given me about these most confidential spiritual subjects, my illusion has been dispelled. I am totally convinced now. Like, since chapter 9th also he said, Bhukhyam, 10th also he said, all this, his opulence and all he showed. So he said, now my illusion is gone. I'm totally convinced. Still that, it's only come up. This pause. So my illusion has been dispelled. So I'm totally convinced. Now, O lotus, this Bhavapyayau hi bhutanam Shrutau Visthara Shomaya Twataha Kamala Patraksha Mahatmyam Api Chavyayam. Kamala Patraksha means Kamalka, what lotus side. So little you can take out from that and you can understand the whole entire shloka ka meaning. Oh, lotus-eyed one, I have heard from you in detail about the appearance and disappearance of every living entity and have realized your inexhaustible glories. Appearance and disappearance, he started that, explaining from the chapter 2. So he said, well, who is appearing and who is disappearing? As an Atma, he doesn't come, he doesn't go, he's always there. Only the form is appearing and the form is disappearing. Each form, the Atma takes, and that is coming and going. So he has understood that chapter very well. He's saying, now that is very clear for me. And I've already also realized your inexhaustible glories, which you have just told me before, in 10th chapter. For them, it is not a chapter wise. Every day, 3 to 4, they attend the class, nothing like that. In a go, like 45 minutes, they were talking, conversing, and at the end of 45 minutes, he was totally convinced. So all the 18 chapters made for us, but we cannot sit and do everything together. Even in level 1, we can't finish. Level 2 also, we're going to see the same thing, but part by part, we will see in total dissect karke, we'll have to see. Third, even in level 3, level 4, level 5. Till level 5, we are going to learn Bhagavad Gita only. But it will be so much in deep, we will be studying. But as Arjuna was a great devotee, he could understand very easily. In 45 minutes, tak, baat kiya, everything is done, and he's totally convinced. He started ready for the war. Yeah. Oh, where was I? I was in number 2 only. Yeah. So, lotus-eyed one, I have heard from you in detail about the appearance and disappearance of every living entity, and have realized your inexhaustible glory. That also I have realized. Then what else he wants now? He keeps adding, I want this, I want that. So anything. So why is he asking? And Mathaji, you are telling us not to ask of God and all that. But what we ask is all material things. Give me money, give me car, give me ghar, give me good wife, or give me good husband or something. We keep asking all material things other than I want to learn more of Gita. So let me know other classes, where the other classes are going on. We never ask for all this. We only ask for all material things. That's why we should not be asking anything to God about material. He will definitely keep us happy. If materially, we have to be happy, he will definitely bless to us. But Arjuna is not asking for all that. He's just asking to know his appearance. He know his, this opulence and all he wants to know. So greatest, evam etat yatha यथा तत्वम् आत्मानं परमेश्वर द्रष्टुम इच्छामि ते रूपम ऐश्वरम पुरुषोत्तम द्रष्टुम देखने के लिए. No, I want to see that. I would like to ichchami te rupam, that rupa of yours I would like to see. Aishwaram Purushottamam, full of Aishwarya, Aishwarya Drishti. I want to see that. Oh, greatest of all personality, supreme form. Though I see you here before me in your actual position, the 200 form is our actual position. For him is shown like that, but not for all devatas, and they're all waiting to see this form. They're all doing all tapas and all that to get this form of the Lord. But Arjuna is very lucky that Krishna is with him, and in his original form is showing. So I see you before me in your actual position as you have described yourself. I wish to see how you have entered into this cosmic manifestation. You just explained that you are this, you are a mountain, you are a cloud, that, this, Varun, Indra, everything you say you are. So now I would like to see, how you have pervaded the entire universe. So he's saying, I would like to see that entered into this cosmic manifestation. I want to see that form of yours. So his want is increasing more and more on, knowing Krishna. Yeah. Oh God. Okay, this is in my, and I put and I forgot to change it, change the language. Okay, I'll just read. So now Arjuna is asking, why Arjuna is asking to show that Vishwarupa? Is it like he's doubting Krishna? Or is he thinks himself very great, so show me. You are telling all this opulence, no, show me now, let me see. Is it telling because of that? Or people like us, people normally, people who thinks Krishna as a normal human form. He doesn't have much opulence. Must be some mystic power he may have. That's why he's showing all that magic and all, just lifting the mountain or, killing the demons and all. Some mystic power he may have. He may not, he's not God. They don't believe that he's God. To prove that he's God, so he's asking them to do. So the right answer is the last one. Yes, he is only to make understand for the people who are still not understood Krishna, to know, to teach them that, see, just have a look how he is pervaded all over the world. That's why he is God. Why the others are not God? So they cannot do all this mistake. So this Krishna, he's doubted Krishna? No, he didn't doubt Krishna. Did he think himself as a great person? No, he didn't. He didn't ask to show that universal form just because he is something, he is someone great. No, he just wants to prove people that what Krishna is Bhagwan, and he has taken so much form, as he said, he can show also. That is what he's asking. I forgot to change that. Okay, Hare Krishna. Last moment I put it, I forgot to change it. Okay, manyase yadi tachakyam maya drashtum iti prabho yogeshwara tato me tvam darshayatmanam avyayam. There are too many slides. I told you, there are more than 60, 67 slides, I think. So I don't want to, waste time, and fatafat I will just do it. Otherwise, I always wanted devotees to read the shloka. So I feel guilty also when I read this, but then lack of time. Tomorrow is 12th chapter, and definitely I will give you hardly 20 shlokas are there. So you all can participate. Okay, if you think that I am able to behold your cosmic, very, very important, shloka this is. If you think that I am able to behold your cosmic form, oh my Lord, oh Master of all mystic power, then kindly show me that universal self. He's asking God, correct? See, for us, what is advised to us? Don't ask God anything, because we are asking all materialistic. But he is asking only to know about Lord, to show his different forms and all. But still, the clause what is adding, if you think I am able to behold that cosmic form, only if Bhagavan feels that I am capable of getting it, then only you can get. So that clause, even if you are asking anything to the Lord, you should ask this, I should get good marks, or I should get this good job, or anything you can ask. But then if I deserve to get it, please, bestow me. That's that clause we should add. Because even if you don't get it, what will happen is you won't feel disappointed. What do you think? Oh, maybe I'm not capable of, I'm still not matured enough to take it. So I need to polish myself. I need to learn more, or I need to upgrade myself, whatever. So you will get that convincing reply. Oh, miss, I have prayed God, but I'm not getting it. So there's something lacking in me, which I have to still further I have to progress myself. So that's why Arjuna, from this we can learn that. So Arjuna is saying, if I am capable of beholding your cosmic form, then, O Master of all universe, mystic power, then kindly show me that universal self. To Bhagavan, to what? He's waiting to everything for Arjuna. He's just waiting to bestow him everything. So Bhagavan Uvacha, Shri Bhagavan Uvacha, Pashyame Pata Rupani, Satasho Ata Sahasrashaha, Nana Vidani Divyani, Nana Varna Kritini. The Supreme Personality of Godhead saying, my dear Arjuna, O son of Pritha, see now my opulence. And he will just start. So all that background music you can put, okay? Because this is all video he's going to show. So he's going to show all his opulences. See now opulence. He's just making expansion of himself. He's just, he keeps on expanding. Everywhere he fills up. Hundreds of thousands of very divine and multicolored forms just comes out of his body. He just expands. Many people just come out of him. Everybody looks so different. Some people are very horrible with big teeth, and some from one form, the fire is coming out to capture us and to annihilate us and all that. He says, no, he is Yama also. So everything is God. Yeah, so universal form is like this. He just is grew big, so big. There is we can see Brahma there, we can see Shiva there. In this, Shiva is not shown, but many big. See, you can see that teeth and big eyes and so many hands, and this is Shiva. Okay, I think Shiva. And what different weapons and all this, many hands and many bellies. All this description is given in this chapter. We can read from, I think, 10 to 17 or something. No, 10 to 17. Let's see. I forgot the number. Pashyadityangasun Rudran Ashwino Marutastata Bahuni Adrishta Purvani Pashyascharyani Bharata. Oh, best of Bharatas. See here the different manifestation. Adityas, Vasus, Rudras, Ashwini Kumar. There are so many people. Just keep adding, and so many expanded. Just look. So many are there. Rudras are there. So many Adityas are there. 12 Adityas are there. Aditya is sun god. There are 12 sun god, and that Vivaswan is one of them, which we learned in 4th chapter. So he told Bhagavad Gita to Vivaswan. He is one of the sun god. But otherwise, there are 12 Adityas. And Rudras, there are 11 Rudras. In that, Shambho, Shiva is one of them. Then Vasus and Ashwini Kumaras, 4 Ashwini Kumaras. So, no, Ashwini Kumaras are 2. They are twin brothers. So I can see all of them. They were all in me. Now I'm expanding and just see everybody's coming out of from me only. And all other demigods are also coming. So he's able to see everybody there. Behold the many wonderful things which no one has ever seen or heard of before. Nobody has asked for this, first of all. And since you have asked, I'm just waiting to show you. Just see everything. Nobody has seen it and nobody has even heard of it before. Ihaitastam jagat krishnam pashyadhya sacharacharam mama dehe gudakesha yachanya drasham ichasi. Oh Arjuna, whatever you wish to see, even if you want to see something, just think of it, then you can see. So what past you want to see, you can have a look. You want to see some future, not only of yourself, somebody else's future. Yes, you can have a look. So everything is shown there. Behold at once in this body of mind. This universal form can show you whatever you now desire to see and whatever you may want to see in the future also. You want to see in the future something of somebody, you can have the look of that also. Everything moving and non-moving is here. Completely in one place. Yeah. Natu mam shakshase drashtum anenaiva swachakshusha divyam dadami te chakshuhu pashyame yogam aishwaram dadami. I'm giving you that chakshu. Chakshu is eyesight. I will give you that chakshu through which you will be able to see me. But you cannot see me with your present eyes. Therefore, I give you divine eyes. Divya chakshu is giving, and behold my mystic opulence. So that means what? He is eligible to see. If he has not got it, that opulence, I mean, if he is not getting the Divya Chakshi, he won't be able to see. And he should not feel bad also because he didn't qualify for it. That is what we have to conclude. So we can ask Lord with the clause, if you wish to give us, if I'm capable, if I'm eligible for it, please give me. Else I'm okay. I'll polish myself to become, I will make myself eligible for that. So he's, therefore I give you divine eyes, behold my mystic opulence. So it is universal form of Krishna. We need divine eyes to see the world form. So this is not ordinary. With ordinary eyes, you cannot see it. We need a divine eyes, like, the Bhakti Vala. Divya Chakshusha you should have. We cannot see with normal eyes. Those divine eyes Arjuna got from the Lord. Sanjay was backdrop to like Sanjay is telling everything to Dhritarashtra Maharaja, whatever is happening. He just imagining, he's just thinking of that battlefield. He's looking, he gets everything in his mind and he's narrating everything. Sanjay said, "O king, speaking the Sanjay Vacha, Eva Muktvata to Rajan, Mahayogeshwaro Harihi, Darshayamasa Parthaya, Paramam Rupam Aishwaram." Sanjay said, "O king, speaking thus, the supreme lord of all mystic power, the personality of God, had displayed his universal form to Arjuna." So all these things are going on. He's asking, and Krishna is showing his mystic power. He's showing himself in the universal form to Arjuna. He's explaining. Yeah. So from 10 to 17, I was right. 10 to 17 only, there are many shlokas, 8 shlokas, where all this explanation about the about different forms given. Hundreds of thousands of suns were to rise at once into the sky. Their radiance might resemble hundreds and thousands of sun, at the same time, if it comes and glows, then it may resemble the effulgence of the Supreme Person in that universal form. It was so bright. The unlimited expansions of the universe situated in one place. Arjuna saw in universal form bodies of all the demigods and various other living entities. He saw Brahma sitting on the lotus flower. Where is he? Where is he? Here I am unable to see. Brahmaji kahan hai? I can't make out. Okay. So he saw Brahmaji also. Somewhere, small form. Here. The lotus. Yeah, here is the lotus. And he's sitting. He saw Brahmaji so small, tiny. He's in front of the Vishwarupa darshan of the Lord. Sorry. He saw Brahma sitting on the lotus flower, as well as Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva. I don't know. Maybe Trishulka. I don't know. So, okay, Lord Shiva and all the sages and divine serpents, everything is able to see. He saw the universal form expanded everywhere. Where is the limit? From here to here? No, it is there, pervaded everywhere. Without limit, no end, no middle, no beginning. He saw blazing fire coming forth from his mouth. In one of the form, the blazing fire is coming out of his mouth to capture and it is for killing. For killing means For annihilation, that form is used. Because he said, no, yesterday, yesterday's chapter, he is Yama also. As a death, he comes and takes away the life. So he saw blazing fire coming forth from his mouth, burning this entire universe by his own radiance. So we can, if we have time, so 10 to 17 kar denge. Yeah, 10 and 11 in one together. Aneka vaktranayanam, aneka adbhuta darshanam, aneka divyabharanam, divyaneko kodyatayudham, divyamalyambaradaram, divyagandhanulepanam, sarvascharyamayam devam, anantam vishwatomukam, anantamukam, mukam is face, anantamukam. Then what? Divyagandhanulepanam, fragrance, so much of fragrance on his body. It's becoming so nice, a smell is coming out. Then Divya Malyam Baradaram, all that weapons and, so many ornaments and Divya, Abharanam, ornaments. All this, we'll just read here. Aneka Vaktarnayanam, too many eyes is able to see. Adbhuta Darshanam is able to see. Okay. Arjuna saw in that universal form unlimited mouths and unlimited eyes. It was all wondrous. The form was decorated with divine, dazzling ornaments and arrayed in many, many garbs. So you can find so many divine, all this, attire and all. He was garlanded gloriously, and there were many scents smeared over his body. All was magnificent, all expanding, unlimited. This was seen by Arjuna. Still is seen. He's just folded at hands and he's just looking at everything, all this. Yeah, Divi Surya Sahasrasya Bhaved Yugapat Uttita Yadi Bhasa Sadrishi Sasyat Bhashastasya Mahatmanah. If hundreds of thousands of suns rose up at once into the sky, they might resemble the effulgence of the Supreme Person in that universal form. The 10 to 17, whatever we read, is said in shloka form. Okay, that was said and in short, and here with shloka and the meaning is given. So as if the whole thousands and hundreds and thousands sun, if were to rise at the same time, how it will be. So that may resemble the Krishnaka form, that effulgence. So that may resemble. Yes. Then Tatre Kastam Jagat Krishnam Pravibhaktam Anekada Apashyad Deva Devasya Sharire Pandavastada. At that time, Arjuna could see in the universal form of the Lord the unlimited expansions of the universe situated in one place, although divided into many, many thousands. All the unlimited expression keeps on increasing, pura, everywhere. It just like bubbles when it comes out. When you put some acid and you put some reacting agent, when you put how it fumes, just comes out. Coke mein kaisa aa jata hai. That I think that will be the easiest example than telling other things. So all that aerated drink, that bubbles keep coming, no? So like that, his forms, so many forms just keep coming out of that universal form. Universal forms which are in one place, although divided into many, many, many thousands. Tata Savishmaya Vishcho Prishtaroma Dhananjaya Roma Arshanam. God, he's getting goosebumps. He's getting goosebumps. Pranamya Shirasa Devam Kritanjalir Abhasata. Kritanjali, he's folding his hands and he's just perplexed and bewildered, and what all words you can say, he's just then bewildered and astonished, his hair standing on end, he's just goosebumps. Arjuna began to pray with folded hands, offering obeisances to the Supreme Lord. Krishna is cool. He's just see my upland. But he was frightened also, actually. Now he's saying, Arjuna, what's this is it. Pashyami devams tava deva dehe sarvam tata bhuta visesha sangan brahmanam isham kamalasanastam rishimscha sarvan uragamscha divyan. Arjuna said, my dear Lord Krishna, I see assembled together in your body all the demigods and various other living entities. I see Brahma sitting on the lotus flower, as well as Lord Shiva and many sages and divine serpents. Everything I'm able to see. Krishna, all these are everything packed, and you were in one form, and now you have expanded yourself and you're showing me everything. All are coming out of from your form. Everything I'm able to see. All the sages and demigods and Shiva and Brahma, and serpents or divine serpents, everything I'm able to see. So like this it will be. all over the universe, all over the sky. He's able to see all that. Aneka bahudara, Aneka Aneka Vaktra Netram Pashyami Tvam Sarvato Anantarupam Nantam na Madhyam na Punastavadim Pashyami Visveshwara Vishwa Rupa. Oh Lord of universe, I see in your universal body many forms of bellies and mouths, eyes expanded without limit. They can't count, or you forget counting, can't make out, did I see this or no? Did I see this or no? Every bed keeps rotating and it just new faces are coming out. So there is no end, there's no beginning, and there's no middle to all this. So it's just astonished to see all this. Kiritinam gadinam chakrinam cha tejo rashim sarvato diptimantam pashyami tvam durnirikshyam samantat diptanalarkha dyutim aprameyam. Your form adorned with various crowns and clubs. So all this God, the form, they all have the crowns on their head. And what club and whatever that weapons they have kept, all that. Your form adorned with various crowns, clubs, and discs is difficult to see because of his glaring effulgence, which is fiery and immeasurable like the sun. So when the sun comes out, like early morning sun, we can see. After that, we will not be able to see, right? So the same thing, it's so glowing so effulgently, he's unable to behold. He just can't take it. Okay. Tvam aksharam paramam veditavyam, tvam asya vishwasya param nidanam, tvam avyayah sashvata dharma gopta, sanatanastvam purusho mato me. You are the supreme. Now he starts praising. Now he's totally zapped. He's totally surrendered. It's more than surrendered. He's a surrendered soul. But now to he's, he didn't expect such a big, Bhagwan ka rupa and all. So now he's totally bewildered and frightened and astonished and everything all put together. His goosebumps are coming. I mean, he's just looking and so you're praising the Lord now. You are the supreme primal objective. You are the best in all the universes. You are inexhaustible and you are the oldest. You are the maintainer of religion, the eternal personality of God. It's a he still keeps on praising him. Anadi Madhyantam Anantaviryam Anantabahum Sashi Surya Netram. Your eyes are like sun and moon. Your netram is what? Eyes. Is sun and moon. He's in Anantabahum. So many hands I'm able to see. And your eyes are like sun and moon. And then Pashyami tvam dikta hutasavakram swatejasa vishwamidam tapantam. You are without origin, middle or end. From where you have started, no, you can't make out. It's like aham purnamadaha purnamidam purnat purnam udachyate is like purnam. So in purnam, in a circle, can you make out this is the start or this is the start? No, we do not know where is the start and where is it. The same way God is all over. He is there everywhere. So he's saying there's no origin. I can't make out your origin in middle or end. Your glory is unlimited. You have numberless arms and the sun and moon are your eyes. I see you with blazing fire coming forth from your mouth, burning this entire universe by your own radiance. Dhyava pritibhyor idamantaram hi vyaptam tvayekena dishascha sarvaha drishtvaadbhutam rupam adbhutam rupam is ugram tavedam lokatrayam pravyahitam mahatman. Although you are one, God, because he has seen Krishna in two-handed form. So he feels Krishna is one. Although you're one, you spread throughout the sky and the planets and all spaces in between. Oh, great one, seeing this wondrous and terrible form, all the planetary systems are perturbed. Means what? You think only Arjuna could see? No, there are many people who could see this form, but they should have divine eyes. If they were all very devoted to the Lord, they would have seen it. For example, in the chariot, flag mein ye Kapidwaja, this Hanuman is there. When he would have seen that Vishwarupa. Then Sanjaya is explaining everything to Dhritarashtra Maharaj. So he's also able to see all that. So only the Divya Chakshu is given to Arjuna, but the effect what so many people are able to see. So great when seeing this wondrous and terrible form, all the planetary systems are perturbed. Every planetary systems are also perturbed. All the hosts of even we are also perturbed. Amihitvam surasanga vishanti kechid vitah pranjalayo grananti swatithi uktva maharshi siddha sangaha suvanti tvam studibihi pushkalabihi all the hosts of demigods are surrendering before you and entering into you. Just keeps moving. Some of them very much afraid and are offering prayers with folded hands. Many demigods are afraid to see your form because they've never seen this before. So they're all scared and they're folding their hands and they're praying. Hosts of great sages and perfected beings crying, all peace. Shant ho jao, bas, enough. Don't keep expanding. Can't behold this, your appearance, where this will end. You'll get blasted. So you won't know. So please calm yourself. At all peace. They're all praying. Are praying to you by singing the Vedic hymns. They all started praying. Rupam mahate bahuvaktra netram mahabaho bahurupadam bahudaram bahudam shakaralam drishtva loka pravyatitas tataham. O mighty armed one, all the planets with the demigods are disturbed at seeing your great form with its many faces, eyes, arms, thighs, legs, and bellies, and your many terrible teeth. Horrible teeth and all is shown in each form, all these forms are there. And as they are disturbed, so am I. They are also disturbed. And I'm also scared. So he's slowly saying, even I'm scared. So you better come to normal position. So he's putting all this in. They're scared, no? So you come to normal position. But even I'm also scared. Nabhasprisham deeptam aneka varnam vyathananam deepta vichalanetram drashva hitvam pravyati tantar Atma, Drishtimna Vindami, Samancha Vishnu, oh, all pervading Vishnu, seeing you with your many radiant colors, touching the sky, your gaping mouths, and your great glowing eyes. My mind is perturbed with fear. I can no longer maintain my steadiness or equilibrium of mind. I'm slowly losing my self-control and all. I'm just like, in the first chapter, he said, no, after seeing those opposite army and all, he's saying, oh God, I can't kill my own people. He was so, out of compassion, he was just feeling low. The same thing is happening here also. No? So he said, I'm losing my equilibrium. I can't no longer see your form of yours. So please, now next he will say, please come back to your original form. Abhichatvam Dhritarashtrasya putraha sarve, all this is adding. Sarve sahaivavani Falasangaihi, Bhishmo, Drona, Suta, Putra, Tatasau, Sahasramadyor, Sahasramadiyai, Apiyodha Mukhyehi, Bhaktrani Te Tvaramana Vishanti, Damsha Karalani, Bhayanakani. This big. Kechit Vilabna, Dashanantareshu, Sandrishyante, Churnite, Uttamangaihi, all the sons of Dhritarashtra along with their elite kings and Bhishma, Drona, Karna, what are they doing? And our chief of soldiers also, all are rushing into your mouth. All are with their chariots and everything. His mouth itself is so big, like that is showing. And everybody is going towards I'm able to see them, they are entering your mouth. And some are getting crushed in the teeth also. You just go inside and then crush in between your teeth. Means what? What he said is, they will all be getting killed. That is what he is able to see. The future of everybody also that he is able to see. So the people, who are all fighting there, nobody is going to be alive. They will all get killed. And some I see trapped with the head smashed between your teeth. Krishna. It would be so wonderful if we could see such a movie. Yes. Yata nadinam bahavo ambuvegaha samudram eva abhimukhadраvanti tatatavami naraloka veera vishanti vaktrani abhivijwalanti. As many waves of the rivers flow into the ocean, all the tributaries and all come. Finally, where it goes into the ocean. The same way, so do all these great warriors enter blazing into your mouth. Everybody with chariots and all this, everybody's going, it's a big buffet type, and everybody's going, all astonished, is just watching what is happening. What is this? Am I seeing? What is all this? So Krishna is showing, Dekho, simple, he has to just show his hand. This is my opulence. Have a look. Yeah, only God can show all this. The one who claims to be God, we should ask them to show Vishwarupa Darshan. Then they will say, oh God, then I am not God. Now Bhagavan says, Shri Bhagavan Vacha, Kalo Asmi means what? Kal. I am the Kal also. What is a Kala? Kala is the time. I am the time factor, which will annihilate, which will kill. We always say, time heals everything. Heals is in a better sense. Means whatever is problem there, after some time it will be all right, just to pacify us. But if anything is going bad, it will kill that. It will, remove that and good things will prevail. So the time factor is also God only. So kalo asmelo kakshayakrit pravruddho lokan samahartum iha pravrittaha vrite api tvam na bhavishyanti sarve ye avasthitaha prati anikeshu yodaha. The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, time I am the great destroyer of the worlds, and I have come to destroy all people with the exception of you, that is the Pandavas, and all the soldiers here on both sides will be slain, except the Pandavas. This you means what? You means that 5 people, except those Pandavas, everybody will be getting killed there, with the exception of you. Yeah. So because I'm Kala, I will. Kala is like a correcting factor, it comes and it will annihilate all the bad people and all good people will it will be sparing the good people. Yeah. So he's saying Tasmato Muttishcha. So that's why I'm asking you, get up and fight. Don't feel depressed and all. Get up. Tasmato Muttishcha Yasho Labasva Jitva Shatrun Bhumsva Rajyam Samriddham Mayaivaite Nihataha Purvameva Nimitta Matram Bhava Savyasachin. You're just going to be a Nimitta Matram, means you're just a tool in my hand. I'm asking you to do, you're just going to do. It is not out of your smartness or your caliber to kill all these people. I have already decided. Now you saw all their future. They're all going, ultimately, they're all going to enter my mouth. They will all get killed. You have to just, a namesake, Taki tumko ek naam mile. Arjuna killed everybody. So just as I'm using you as a tool, nimitta matra. And Sabyasachi, person who is very good in archery, who can, very good in this archery. So who can kill many enemies and all that. So Arjuna has got the name as Sabyasachi. So therefore get up, prepare to fight and win glory. So all this result bhi bata diya. Abhi tumko bas exam, just for the namesake you write, you are going to win only this exam. And others will get, they will not get marks. You are going to be the king. Don't worry. So you just write the exam like that. So you just fight. Just because I am saying you fight. You're just a toy in my hand. So I'm just using you as a tool. Conquer your enemies and enjoy a flourishing kingdom. They are already put to death by my arrangement. Sutradhar kaun hai? The drama director is Krishna. So he has already made all decision. Everything is done. Only then you have to do whatever I say. We are just going to act. O Savyasachin can, they are already put to death by my arrangement, and you, O Savyasachin, can be but an instrument in the fight. For example, this is a knife. If a knife in the this robber's hand, what he will do? We are scared. So he will kill immediately. He will cut anything, or he will just rashly, he will just do anything. But a knife in a doctor's hand, we are very okay. We have no problem at all. He's also cut open or something like, we go to doctors, a surgeon. If we have some problem, we go to a surgeon. We know he's going to cut with a knife only. Knife is the same sharp object, but in a trained and that the object is sharp, instrument is same. But the purpose is different. So we have total faith in the doctor and not with the robber, because robber will kill us. So the same way, the knife is only an instrument to cut open thing and to heal. So I am saying, so you can do it. The purpose will be solved. You're just an instrument like this sharp object in my hand. You just whatever I say, you do, and you'll anyway you'll get the kingdom. You'll win the war. Dronam cha Bhishmam cha Jayatradam cha Karnam Tatanyam api Yoda Viran Maya Hatam Stvam Jahima Vyatishta Yudhyasva Jetasi Rane Sapatnan Drona Bhishma Jayatrada Karna and the other great warriors have already been destroyed by me. Whatever you're seeing is just flesh and blood ka one figure you are able to see, but their destiny is already decided. In another few moments they are all going to get killed. They're already killed means what? On the path of killing only, their fate is decided. Therefore, kill them. Kill them means what? They're just standing as a person. Put your this and they will be slain. Do not be disturbed. Simply fight and you will vanquish your enemies in battle. What a support, no? Nice. Sanjay Uvacha, Etat Shiltva Vachanam Keshavasya, Kritanjali Vepamana Kiriti, Namaskritya Bhuya Evaha Krishnam, Sadgadgadam Bhita Pranamya. So Sanjay is again back. He's telling Dhritarashtra all these things happening there. He's just narrating. Sanjay said to Dhritarashtra, "O king, after hearing these words from the Supreme Personality of Godhead, the trembling Arjuna offered obeisances with folded hands again and again. He fearfully spoke to Lord Krishna in a faltering voice as follows. And he's what terribly shaken after seeing those this what Vishwarupa darshan. Arjuna vacha stane hrishikesh tava prakirtya jagat prahrisyati anurajyate cha rakshamsi bhitadni disho dravanti sarve namasyanti cha siddha sangaha. Arjuna is saying, oh master of senses, Rishikesha, he not only standing, he just sat down near his feet. He is feeling so bad. Oh master of senses, Rishikesha, the world becomes joyful upon hearing your name, and thus everyone becomes attached to you. Although the perfected beings offer you their respectful homage, the demons are afraid and they flee here and there. And this is right. All this is rightly done, because God will not spare anybody who is not right. Unrighteous people will be killed. So all these demons and all, they flee away from here. But all others, what? They're attached to you. They know you. Thus the world becomes joyful upon hearing your name, and thus everyone is attached to you. And what else he says? Kasmachatena nameran mahatman gariyase brahmano apyadi kartre ananta devesha jagannivasa tvam aksharam sat asat tatparam yat. Oh, great one, greater even than Brahma. You are the original creator. He started now. Like yesterday he said, he is also, it's not that somebody asked him to say anything. He feels from within, Krishna is so great. What all I'm seeing. He's not, I thought he's just an ordinary, he knows he's Bhagwan, but not so much opulence he has. So he's saying, you are the original creator. Why then should they not offer their respectful obeisances unto you? Why would they not do it? They will all will have to do it. Oh, limitless one, God of gods, refuge of the universe. You are the invincible source, the cause of all causes. Everything is emanated from you. You are the cause of everything. So, and then you are transcendental also. You are transcendental to this material manifestation. So everything is coming out of you, and you're transcendental. That what is godly. That power is also there with you. Tvamadideva purushas puranas tvamasya vishwasya param nidanam vetasi vedyam cha param cha dhama tvaya tatam vishwam anantarupa. You are the original personality of Godhead, the oldest, the ultimate sanctuary of this manifested cosmic world. You are the knower of everything, and you are all that is noble. You are the supreme refuge above the material modes. Oh, limitless form, this whole cosmic manifestation is pervaded by you. Keeps on and on and on, he's saying. This all I thought of skipping, but then no fun, no. See, this chapter itself is, everything should be there. The way he looks at things and the way he's bowing down and he's praising the Lord, everything has to be there. Though we are short of time. Saketi matva prasabam yaduktam. He Krishna, he Yadava, he Saketi, Ajanata Mahimanam Tavedam, Maya Pramada Paranayena Vapi, Yachavahar Sartham, Asat Kritoasi, Vihara Sayasana Bhojaneshu, Ekotha Vapi Achyuta Tat Samaksham, Takshamaye Twam, Aham Aprameyam. Thinking of you as my friend, I have rashly addressed you as, oh Krishna, oh Yadava, oh my friend, and all I have spoken. But you're such a great personality. I just casually I referred you as Krishna, oh Yadava, and all I have called you. I'm feeling so bad about all that. Please forgive whatever I may have done in madness or in love. They're all very good friends, and they're related to each other also, and almost of same age look. So they were all very friendly. So due to friendly, the interaction was so casual. So he's saying, please forgive me, whatever I may have done in madness or in love. I have dishonored you many times, jesting as we relaxed. Whenever we were relaxing also, I would have put my leg on you, whatever, I don't even remember. I would have insulted you, all these things. Lay on the same bed or sat or ate together, sometimes alone and sometimes in front of many friends. Oh, infallible one, please excuse me from all those offenses. He's just, totally surrendered and totally feeling very bad, after seeing all his opulence, he feels very bad. Yeah. Adrishtapurvam rishitos asmi drishtva bhayena chat travyatitam mano me tadeva me darshaya deva rupam prasida devesha jagannivasa. After seeing this universal form, which I have never seen before, I'm gladdened. I'm very happy to see. That is what I wanted, so I asked you. And you felt like, to give me that this sight because I was capable. I'm happy, but at the same time, my mind is disturbed with fear. I can't see that form of yours. Please come back to your normal form, he say. Therefore, please bestow your grace upon me, Daya Karo, and reveal again your form as a personality of Godhead. O Lord of Lords, O Abode of Universe. Please come to your original form of the 200 form only. You be there. Now I understood who you are. Though I'm happy to see those forms, but I'm out of fear. I'm disturbed with fear. किरीटिनं गदिनं चक्रहस्तं इच्छामि त्वां द्रष्टुम् अहं तथैव तेनैव रूपेण चतुर्भुजेन सहस्रबाहो भव विश्वमूर्ते. O universal form, O thousand arm, Kiritinam Gadinam, Kiritinam, the crown, and Gadinam, Gada, Chakra, Hastam, Atme, Ichami. I want to see that form, that 200 form, your 400 form, that that Paramatma form is better than this universal form, which I can't take anymore. So I wish to see you in your four-arm form, which helmeted head with club, wheel, conch, and lotus flower in your hand. I long to see you in that form. Just come to that form. Then slowly, then you say, no, come to 200 form. And God shows in that. Naveda yajna Vedyanair na danair na chakriyabhir na tapobhir ugraihi evam rupah shakya aham nirloke drashtam tvat anyena kuru pravira. Oh, best of the Kuru warriors, no one before you has seen. Okay. Oh, he's Bhagavan Vacham. Okay. Oh, best of Kuru warriors. No one before you has ever seen this universal form of mind. For neither by studying the Vedas, nor by performing sacrifices, nor by charity, nor by pious activities, nor by severe penances can I be seen in this form in the material world. Nobody can see this form, or this form you are able to see. But people they say, no, I'm Kitna Vedas, all the Vedas, I know all these Vedas, Samaveda, Yajurveda, everything. I by-hearted that, and only by studying Vedas, you don't get to see this form of God. Not by performing a lot of sacrifices, I didn't know. Not by charity, both long charity, kya, that, anathashram, this. No, even that won't help. Nor by pious activities, nor by severe penances. I cannot be seen in this form, in this material world, just by doing that. So what is required? Only bhakti is required. Only true devotion, ananya bhakti, you need to have to see the form of 200 form. Yasmate vyata macha vimodam abhavo drishwa rupam ghoram vidranmamedam vyapeta bhi prita manapunam punastvam tad eva me rupam idam prapasya. You have been perturbed and bewildered by seeing this horrible feature of mine. Now let it be finished. I know you're very confused and perturbed and very fearful. My form, after seeing the form, you became afraid. Now let me let it be over. My devotee, be free again from all disturbances. With a peaceful mind, you can now see me, the form you desire. I'll come back to the form which you desire. That is 400 form he's showing. And from that, he comes to 200 form. So Sanjay is telling the backdrop. Iti Arjunam Vasudevas Tatokta Tatoktva Swakam Rupam Darshayam Asabhuvyaha Ashvasayam Asacha Bhitamenam Bhutva Punah Saumya Vapur Mahatma Saumya Vapur. Beautiful form of Bhagavan ka beautiful form ko what name is given? Saumya Vapur, that name is there. So in case you come across while writing the quiz and all, you can put that. Sanjaya said to Dhritarashtra, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Krishna, having spoken thus to Arjuna, displayed his real four-arm form. First, four-arm form is showing, and at last showed his two-arm form, thus encouraging the fearful Arjuna. Don't worry, I've come to you as I was before. So you need not have to get worried and scared and all that. So this Sanjaya is narrating all these things to Dhritarashtra. Arjuna Vacha Drishtvedam Manisham Rupam Tava Saumyam Janardana Idanim Asmi Samvrittaha Sachetaha Prakritim Gataha. Yes. When Arjuna thus saw Krishna in his original form, he said, oh Janardana, seeing this human-like form, so very beautiful, I'm now composed my mind. I'm at peace now. And I'm restored my original nature. I'm restored to I've come back to my normal composed form. Sri Bhagavan Vacha So durdarsham idam rupam drishwan asiyan mama deva api asya rupasya nityam darshana kankshina. The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, my dear Arjuna, the form which you are now seeing, 200 form, is very difficult to behold. This form also, many people are waiting. They are all doing tapas and all that to see. But I am there in front of you. Even this 200 form is not a normal form. Don't think like that. So even this, my dear Arjuna, the form which you are now seeing is very difficult to behold. Even the demigods are ever seeking the opportunity to see this form, which is so dear. So even for demigods also are unable to see Krishnas like this form. But Arjuna is so very lucky. Bhaktya tva ananyaya shakya aham evam vido Arjuna Nyatum drashtum cha tattvena pravishtum cha parantapa. My dear Arjuna, only by undivided devotional service can I be understood as I am. So what is required? Not your this, what? Other things. I know so much shlokas or Vedas and what other, so much tapas and all it I did. No. Nothing will be of use. You need to be devoted. Only undivided devotional service. Ananya bhakti you need to have. Can I be, then only we can understand the Lord. Can I be understood as I am standing before you and can thus be seen directly? Only in this way can one enter into the mysteries of my understanding. Then only he is eligible to come to my abode also. Yeah, there's another story which will come up. Today there is actually one story is there. Matkar mat paramo mat bhakta sangha varjitah nirvaira sarva bhuteshu yassamamyeti pandava. My dear Arjuna, he who engages in my pure devotional service, free from the contamination of fruitive activities, he is not expecting anything in return. So morning we have Mangalarti at 4:30. Yes, what will I get? I am sacrificing my sleep. What will I get? No, you won't get it. Immediately you won't get. You will get something which God will decide what to give you, when to give you, how much to give you. But that will make you happy once you get the taste of getting up early and looking the form. They just open the curtain. Oh God, you should see that form of what everything is decorated and everything. And behind what all these bhajans and kirtans will be going on to be as if you're standing in front of deity. You're almost reached in that, mandir. That sort of feeling you get every day. Not one single day span. Every day we get to see that. So every day we need to look at the form of the Lord in the morning and you do japa also. So after seeing the form, after all this arati and all gets over, then you can do one round of your japa, which will take hardly for you all because since you're all in the neophyte, the beginning stage, it may take 15 minutes or 20 minutes. So morning 15, 20 minutes easily you can do it. Because no disturbance, no WhatsApp messages will come. Nobody will be there. Everybody will be sleeping. Let them sleep. They need not have to come to bhakti. Since you are into bhakti, you are free. If everything joins, then again there will be commotion. So you need not have to force them. You be alone and start doing. And morning hours are better to do japa and all. Okay, my dear Arjuna, he who engages in my pure devotional service, free from the contamination of fruitive activities and mental speculation, he who works for me, who makes me the supreme goal of his life, and who is friendly to every living being, he certainly comes to me. In this, what all is said, one is fruitive activity. What will I get? That should not be there. And then mental speculation, this Advaitic principle and all, they have the clauses and the theory and philosophical, everything they will put an analysis and all. Sankhya philosophy, they will use. We are not bothered. We will just assume that we are ignorant of that. We are not smart. We are not able to understand. All we know is do bhakti, to do devotion to the Lord, offer him this bhog and all, and take that as a prasad. These are all simple things which we know, which we will follow. We need not have to know the theory and those parts. Then he who works for me, just to please the Lord. I am doing all the japa tapa to keep whom happy, to keep the Lord. How will I know whether the Lord is happy? Your inner conscious, no? Your soul will tell you. That will be so happy that you will feel happy. You will feel, I'm feeling so energetic. All smile on your face. And because that andar ka atma, that is our self. That is our true self. It becomes so happy whenever you take Lord's name. Whenever you do anything of Bhagwan ka, go to temple and come back, you feel that vibration in you and you can find yourself having good positive energy you get. You need to have that angle of looking at things. Just outwardly, if you see, you will not get anything. You will become tired. Kavi gaya tha, so much line, we just went and came. I mean, you may talk like that, but when you see from within, you can realize. So this morning aarti, you all can attend. The temple link is already put. Every time we put, I think. So you just, once ek bar temple link, if you know, you can join the aarti. And what we are not, we should accept the Lord as he is, but no mental speculation, no expecting any fruitive activities, and do whatever you are doing just to keep him happy. That's all. How will you know? Only your soul will reply. When your soul becomes happy, means God is also happy. Who makes me the supreme goal of his life? Ultimately, where are we supposed to go? Not to live in this world again and again, take birth. In that case, why should we pray God? We are very happy here. We'll again take a birth according to our karmas. If we eat non-veg and all that, then we'll be born as a wild animal or anything that we have already covered all those subjects. So accordingly, we'll take that. I don't care. It's okay. Even if I become tree for, then live for 700, 800 years, then you can, no problem. Then you need not to, person whoever thinks like that, then they need not have to do any bhakti and all. They are prepared to face the music. But most of the people who are coming to Bhagavad Gita class, they are not like that. They want to upgrade themselves and go out of the jail. This is like Dukhalayam Ashaswatam. This is a big jail. We should be escaping from this. So who makes me the supreme goal of his life? And we will be taken like this, a chauffeur-driven car type. Just holding our hand, come, be careful, come. Viman will come and it will take us. Who will not like to have a chauffeur-driven car? I will definitely will love to have one. Though I wasn't this time, as in my working life, I was not in the top position to have this, somebody is, on. Okay, come, opening the door, closing. Are you comfortable? Okay, chalo. Chale? Oh God. So, I mean, that is a nice life. So, that is what we will get when we do bhakti. And God himself, all Bhagavan ka dutas, they will come and they will take us. And who is friendly to everyone. Not only this, we should be what? We should be friendly to every living being. So, I japa karta hoon. The morning 4 o'clock, all the lights are on. You take bath and you just sit. Dum all hours. Everybody must be sleeping. They will be disturbed with your bhakti. They'll say, oh God, this man is gone mad. So not to disturb anybody, you be friendly to everybody. You are doing bhakti, only you and God should know, not others. So you do be friendly to every living being. And when you are friendly to every living being, others will also be friendly towards you. And such person will definitely come to me. So you can make a note in which shlokas he is saying, you will definitely come to me. Asamshayaha. He keeps saying that, Satyam, in 18th chapter it comes. I am promising you that I am taking you. What else we need? God himself is promising us. So how to begin undivided devotional service towards Lord Krishna? We need to start chanting from 5 to 6. God, too much, no? So we can start at 4:30. 4:30 you have to be there, because 4 o'clock, 4:15 you get up. Then 4:30 you can watch Mangalarti. After that, Narsimha Arti will be there. Then after that, Tulsi Arti will be there. Still more beautiful. And that will get over by 5 or sometimes 5:5. That is 5 minutes past 5. That's all. After that, you do japa from after 5 o'clock till 6. It's too much. So you can do only one round, which will take not more than 15 minutes to 20 minutes. So by 5:20 or 5:25, you're free. Then you want to go to sleep, you try. You will not get sleep, because you'll be in all that good things will be in your mind. You yourself will feel, what am I doing in the bed? So I'll get up, yeah. So I'm feeling so nice. That nice feeling will come. And you'll have to say Hare Krishna mantra throughout. So let us say once, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So what God is expecting from us? Offer your heart to Krishna, and it will save you from the greatest danger. He doesn't ask anything else, just give him love and affection. He's waiting. Isko kitna return gift dena hai. So let us have the most precious gift from him. Though not expecting, he is sure to give. Om Tatsaditi Srimad Bhagavad Gita Su Upanishadsu Brahma Vidyayam Yoga Shastre Shri Krishna Arjuna Samvade Vishwarupa Darshana Yogo Nama Ekadasho Dhyayah. 11th chapter got over. Let's see the summary part. Yeah. To protect innocent people from impostors, Arjuna asked Krishna to prove his divinity by exhibiting his universal form. A form that anyone who claims to be God should be prepared to show. So if anybody in your life also, if anybody Swamiji comes, oh, he's a great Swamiji, does all that, Shainaya, Vibhutiyaya, something, they do some, it is true also. They have that mystic power, yes, agree. But you cannot equal them to, they may be mystic power, Acharya, we say, whatever. but they cannot be equal to God. God is only one. Only Krishna can, whatever he does, Krishna does, nobody else can do. So anybody claiming that he is God, you should ask them to show Vishwarupa. Then they will go back. They'll say, oh, sorry, and then I'm not God. So form that anyone who claims to be God should be prepared to show. Krishna gives Arjuna divine vision by which to see the brilliant, glaring, unlimited universal form, which reveals in one place everything that ever was or now is or will be, whatever will come or in future or whatever has happened or whatever is happening, everything is seen in that universal form. So Arjuna offers obeisances with folded hands and glorifies the Lord. Krishna then reveals that except for the 5 Pandavas, all the soldiers assembled on the battlefield will be slashed, killed. Therefore, Krishna exhorts Arjuna to fight. Just get up, Uttishta, Kaunteya, fight. As his instrument, I am just using you as an instrument. I have already, the drama ka end part and all, you have seen, this is the end. What you have to do, just one means what? Just fight for the namesake. You are just, nimitta matra. That word is important. You may get in quiz. Nimitta matra means just, I'm as a tool. Instrument. Arjuna to fight as his instrument and guarantees him victory and a flourishing kingdom. Arjuna requests Krishna to withdraw his fearful form and show his original form. The Lord then exhibits his 4-armed form and at last his original 2-armed form. Upon seeing the Lord's beautiful human-like form, Arjuna becomes pacified. One who is engaged in pure devotional service can see such a form. Only 200 form can be, we can see in the photo or something. But to get that form and God is talking to you in that form, it's very only great devotees can get. So you have to engage yourself in pure devotional service so much. And what is pure devotional service? Start with japa. Attend all the Bhagavad Gita classes. Once 18 days gets over, on 19 days, which class? You will be used to at 3 o'clock. Yaar, kal tak to class, and now what 3 o'clock, what will I do? You will be wanting to attend some class, right? There are plenty of other classes are still going on. Well, some are Chaitanya Charitamrita, some other, one story, Krishna book reading will be there. Then Kunti Stuti, all the many. Even if you want in different language, there are 12 languages going on. So if you have a different, your mother tongue, Marathi, Gujarati, Tulu, or Odiya, or what, any, I don't remember, Bengali, Telugu, Kannada, everything, 12 languages we have. So any language you can take any, and you have to inquire which class and what time and all. Only you have to give time. So we are arrange everything. There are all those book reading all done by devotees only. So you all can join that and you can also read those books. So online bhi milta hai, and if you want to buy books, you can go buy books. Yeah. So tomorrow what? That is still more important. Very short chapter, but Bhagwan is just waiting. He is asking us to do bhakti. Please do bhakti. Become my devotee. Come out of this. He is requesting. So Bhakti, Arjuna is inquiring, who is better? Now Arjuna has only one question in this. Who is better, a personalist or impersonalist? We are all personalists because we believe in a form like Krishna and we are, we are worshipping that form as gods. There are impersonalists like Advaitic principles who follow. They don't have one form, though they believe in God and all, they don't have a form. So who is better? They are also, talking about Krishna. Their goal is also to reach Krishna's abode. Ours is also the same. So we're all ultimately going there. But which path is better? No, Krishna will say that. Today I will not say. To get the answer, come tomorrow. Progressive stages of bhakti. This is very important. He starts with the top stage. This is the best. Oh God, that we cannot do. Oh, you can't do that. Okay, I'll come lower. And then you do this. Oh, that is also difficult. Oh, is it difficult? Okay, one step below. Like that, he keeps lowering. Tabhi to aa jao. At least some point you come into that bhakti and we'll start the journey like that. So progressive stages of bhakti tomorrow we'll see. And qualities that endear Krishna. These are most important. We can tick mark in that. So which quality he likes the most in people. So if we are dear to Krishna, nothing like we will just, he wants us there. Simple. We are very, Krishna is happy with us because of our qualities, guna, characters and all. He will all keep his door open. Please come. I'm just waiting for you to come to Goloka. We'll have to just, now how we have got to ISKCON. We didn't go and search for Guru. Normally people are waiting. Which Guru, how to go and all. We have come to ISKCON enough. Guru is there to take you all. Now, who is Guru? You need not have to know who is what and all that, but you are on right path. Everything is told. Slowly you will come to know in the 18 chapters. We'll let it get over. And level 2, level 3, keep going. You'll know how things shape up. So we are all very lucky to be in this platform. Then qualities that India Krishna will qualify ourselves to be his best friend. Yeah. There's a small drama, but not much. I'll just read. Okay. Introduction. Narada Rishi arrives in Dwarka, conversing with Satyabhama. Who is Satyabhama? Krishna's one of the wives. At that time, but she's very beautiful. She is a princess, very wealthy also. At that time, he deceives her. Narayana comes and he just plays prank. So he just says, he deceives her by saying that the love that Krishna shows to Satyabhama, who's the earlier wife, was not so genuine. I mean, Satyabhama is the present. He's talking to Satyabhama. He's saying the love shown to you was not so genuine, but actually Rukmini, the one previous wife, actually Rukmini is very dear to him. Satyabhama could not bear this and challenged Narada that she will prove it wrong. Yeah, Narada says, Satyabhama, accept the challenge by giving away your belt to the weight of Krishna. Then he will be yours. When you become successful in doing this, Krishna's love for you will be increased manifold. So, Krishna will be watching. Oh God, this girl is so nice. She's giving all her ornaments just for my love. Oh God, I really like this girl. He may think like that. So better start doing that. So his love will be, even if at all is going, he's loving Rukmini or anybody, it will be turned towards you. So Satyabhama says, here are all my jewels, my gold coins, gems, and diamonds to weigh against the weight of Krishna in the weighing scale. She keeps everything here. Brought everything from a palace, kept everything. But that weighing scale did not move an inch, just still as it is. So now Narada is saying, Satyabhama, in spite of keeping all your gold in weighing scale, it did not move a bit. If you cannot give me as much of weight of Krishna as per my agreed thing, I will make slave. He says that it did not move a bit. If you cannot give me as much of the weight of Krishna, I will do according to my will of making Krishna my slave. He will act according to my wishes. He will be my puppet, like in hand, that way. So you may ask Rukmini, if you need help, ask Rukmini, how to find out a solution. Like if you need any help, go to Rukmini. So Satyabhama goes to Rukmini. Sister, I need your help to rescue our husband. Rukmini says, keep a tulsi leaf on she keeps a tulsi leaf on the scale, removing all the ornaments, jewels, everything she removes and keeps only a tulsi leaf. Lord, then she's praying also. She's praying the Lord, she's praying Krishna. Lord, here's the tulsi leaf. And God becomes very happy when you give tulsi leaf. So that's why whenever you keep your prasad, offering to the Lord, you have to put one tulsi leaf. In how much ever you make chappan bhog, in all that 56 items, you have to put one tulsi leaf. Or if you are offering only water, in the water also you have to keep one tulsi leaf. God becomes prasanna atma. He will have. But how he didn't drink at all, how much ever quantity of kept, but he drinks through his eyes, he can walk through his tongue, anything he will do. You need not have to bother whether quantities become less or not. He becomes happy. He just sees our devotion. So in the 9th chapter, we did in detail. So everybody should start by now, though you must have started offering to the Lord and start praying at least one round of japa. Okay, Rukmini says, Lord, here's a holy tulsi leaf. I'm offering wholeheartedly to you with great devotion. Kindly accept it and free us from this dilemma. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanam. She just prays. Narada sees the weighing scale moves and the weight of tulsi leaf more than the Lord. It comes, the tulsi leaf, that plate comes down and Krishna ka, that way, this goes up. What a miracle, a small tulsi leaf equalized Krishna's weight. He's surprised. So Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. What is the moral? Only a bhakti can, Tulsi Devi is a true devotee of Krishna. So only through bhakti we can capture Krishna's heart. He will do anything for us. Sudama, what did he give? He just gave that flattened, the poha. He gave only that. And what? He was bestowed with so many good things and all. He just offered with this poha. So this is what is expected from us. We have to just give our heart and love to Krishna. Yeah, so Satyabhama, Krishna's warrior, and what? Only pure devotion. Only pure devotion can attract Krishna. That's the lesson. Conclusion, the story shows the importance of Tulsi Devi and how a humble offering of a Tulsi leaf to God is greater than any material wealth. And yesterday and day before, yesterday, what did we see? In the morning, we see this Narasimha Arati. First, Bhagwan ka Arati hone ke baad they show Narasimha Arati. So that Narasimha Arati song I showed here. I sang also. And yesterday we did, yesterday what did we do? Oh, Kali Narasimha Arati hua tha na? Yeah. So today's Tulsi Arati we will see. So this is what they sing and they worship Tulsi. Okay. So I will just sing this. Hare Krishna. This is written by Krishna Deva, Krishnadasa Kaviraja Goswami. Vrinda Vrindavani, Vishwapujita Vishwapavani, Pushpasaranandini, Tulsi Krishna Jivani, Vrindayai Tulsi Devyayai, Priyayai Keshavasya cha, Vishnu Bhakti Prade Devi, Satyavatyai Namo Namaha. Namo Nama Tulsi Krishna Preyasi, Tulsi Krishna Preyasi, Namo Namaha. Radha Krishna Seva Pavo Ye Abhilashi, Radha Krishna Seva Pavo Ye Abhilashi, Tulsi Krishna Preyasi, Namo Namaha. Namo Nama Tulsi Krishna Preyasi. जे तुम्हारा शरण लोई तारा वांछा पूर्ण होई, जे तुम्हारा शरण लोई तारा वांछा पूर्ण होई, कृपा कोरी कुरु तारे वृंदावन वासी, कृपा कोरी कुरु तारे वृंदावन वासी, तुलसी कृष्ण प्रेयसी, नमो नमः. नमो नमः तुलसी कृष्ण प्रेयसी. मोरा ये अभिलाष विलास कुंज दियो वासा, मोरा ये अभिलाष विलास कुंज दियो वासा, नयन हेरी बो सदा जुगल रूप राशि, नयन हेरी बो सदा जुगल रूप राशि, तुलसी कृष्ण प्रेयसी, नमो नमः. नमो नमः तुलसी कृष्ण प्रेयसी. यही निवेदन धर सखीरानुगता कोरो, यही निवेदन धर सखीरानुगता कोरो, सेवाधिकारो दिए कोरो निज दास, सेवाधिकार दिए कोरो निज दास, तुलसी कृष्ण प्रेयसी, नमो नमः. नमो नमः तुलसी कृष्ण प्रेयसी. दीन कृष्ण दासे कोई ये न मोरा होय, दीन कृष्ण दासे कोई ये न मोरा होय, श्री राधा गोविंद प्रेमे सदा ये न भासी, श्री राधा गोविंद प्रेमे सदा ये न भासी, तुलसी कृष्ण प्रेयसी, नमो नमः. नमो नमः तुलसी कृष्ण प्रेयसी. Then this is the part where when you say this Yani Kani Chapapani is very, very auspicious. That time you do pradakshina. All these things you say it folded your hands, and you have to do this at home. You keep a tulsi leaf. If you don't have tulsi leaf, kindly buy. If you are all in India, it is very easily available in India. If you are in foreign countries, yes, it's difficult to get. But you can ask for basil leaves and you get it in some departmental stores, but difficult to get. In that case, it is allowed. You can keep a silver. If you can afford to have a silver, small silver, you can keep and every. But preferably, you can buy a tulsi, which is tulsi plant, which is better. And then you have to do now what is every day, you have to just offer all this. Even if you can't buy out all this shloka, no problem. Hare Krishna, you can say. But you have to do 4 times minimum pradakshina. The 4 times, when you do pradakshina, this is what we have to say. And what is written here, even if in any of your previous birth, if you have done Brahma Hatya means a Brahmin, you must have killed a Brahmin, a possibility. We do not know what sins all we have committed. Even if at all you have done that, even that sins will be erased when you do Tulsika prayers. When you pray Tulsi. So this is written here. Yeah, and then you do pradakshina. Okay, pradakshina is that circumambulating the tulsi plant. Or if you have a plant kept somewhere, it's like a jungle there, you need to buy a small one, put it in your stool or somewhere, a small place, and then you can do this. Again, you keep it near the sunlight, wherever you get sunlight. यानि कानि च पापानि ब्रह्म हत्यादिकानि च तानि तानि प्रणश्यन्ति प्रदक्षिण पदे पदे यानि कानि च पापानि ब्रह्म हत्यादिकानि च तानि तानि प्रणश्यन्ति प्रदक्षिण पदे पदे जय वृन्दे देवी